everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging a bit today. Kicking up outfit of the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits. You get life in there, some PA weather and puppies. So why not hang around, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. So it is Sunday morning and it is beautiful out. 72 degrees, getting up to 80 today. It's gonna be like a perfect summer day, I think, at least for the most part of the day. And I have some videos to do. Let's be real, I'll probably get one done. And yeah, and then I'm hoping to relax for a little bit at the pool, and then we're gonna go and see my dad, who should be getting moved from the hospital back to skilled nursing today. So big day as always, lots going on. And for my outfit, I chose Agolde cutoffs, which are like the best cutoffs ever, right? I got them in a Trendsend once upon a time. Paired them with this little t-shirt from Z Supply. For shoes, how about these fun Sanuks? You can tell I am super cash today. And then my necklace, which I believe I got from Stella and Dot. Add a little bit of color, right? We've got planes flying up ahead. So noisy. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for outfit of the day. It is a bit cloudy out here, 70 degrees, getting up to 84. And the puppers are all worked up today, it looks like. So my dad has made it from the hospital back into skilled nursing. That's the latest. Every day it's evolving. The doctor actually told me that she thinks he would fare better in skilled nursing. I don't know, you may remember from last week, he was in assisted living. He didn't like it as much. He wanted to go back to skilled nursing. Obviously a much bigger price tag than even the assisted living, but I do believe once his money runs out, I think medical assistance will hopefully kick in and help him. So I think my next steps at this point are to, and I did consult a elder care attorney, but it was a little bit more informal. I think I'm going to do an informal discussion and just pay for a elder care attorney. And then if he wishes to be in the skilled nursing, just try to figure out how to make that happen. I think that's where we're at right now. But anyway, I'm meeting with them later today. The skilled nursing facility, I'm meeting with them later today to at least get their information on how I can try to just keep him there instead of this. I feel like it's going to be hospital, rehab, assisted living, hospital, rehab, assisted living, and I'd rather it just be skilled nursing and then the hospital when he needs to, and it's just those two instead of this constant, you know, circular activity, which has him never settled in any one place. So, all right, enough of all that. They're so silly. My outfit for today is cut from the cloth shorts that I got from Ever Eve. I have on a Anthropologie top. You may remember I have a long sleeve version of this. I liked it so much I decided to get the tank style version. I thought it'd be cute under jackets. And I don't know why I arranged my pillows. First, and then I put on underneath a seamless tank from Ever Eve. I have on shoes that are Halogen I've had forever. And for jewelry, I just put on my bracelet stack and I was off and running today. All right, I'm gonna get going back to work, try to stop the chaos. Hope you're having a great start to your week, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. It rained this morning. I think it's cloudy. I'm not sure if it's gonna really, yeah, no, it's not gonna clear up. It's gonna be kind of like this all day. So at least it's not raining right now. And let's see, for my outfit today, I put on Cabi shorts. I put on a Nic Zoe top from a Front Door Fashion. My shoes are Sam Edelman, little gold. And for jewelry, I just have on the necklace my husband got me and my bracelet stack. And that's my outfit today. That was quick and easy, right? So yesterday I talked to the skilled nursing facility that my dad is doing rehab. That's where he was before. The assisted living was a different building, but part of the same location. And he will stay now at the skilled nursing facility. So I'm going to talk to an elder law attorney, but at this point, I think, you know, that's where he wants to be. That's where his money should be spent, and we'll we'll take it from there. But he seems to be a little happier there. Today we have to go and move him back out of the assisted living place after we had just got him all settled. So we'll remove all his stuff from there, take what we can over to the skilled nursing, and hopefully that's where he's going to be, is settled. So it's been a little challenging. All right, I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. Before I get to that, it is 72 degrees out. It's supposed to get up to 77 today. It's been cloudy and a little bit off and on rain. And my Stitch Fix posted today. I ended up keeping 5 out of the 8 items so I could get the 25% off. I love reading all your comments, and people mostly love the blue dress. Someone commented that I own something similar. I kept a like a different colored periwinkle-ish blue sweater dress from a prior fix. It snags super easily. I love it, but I like this one for the cobalt blue part, and I feel like it's a little less snaggy, and I can wear it with the awesome rail shirt that I end up keeping as well. So I did keep it. I kept the striped pants cut from the cloth. I'm excited to wear these. I think they're going to be fun. As I mentioned, I kept the rails top. I think this is fun. Just screams like beach, summer, vacation, warm weather. Kept the cut from the cloth off-white pants with a little drawstring, and I kept the LNA t-shirt. I like this one. It's a little v-neck. So those were my keepers. I did not keep the shoes, primarily because I just didn't like how they fit my foot. I didn't love the color. It was a different kind of neutral, but I just didn't love it. And I own similar, so I just didn't keep that one. I didn't keep the Wit and Wisdom pants, and I didn't keep that Michael Stars Miles, the white top. All right, so that's my Stitch Fix. And for today's outfit, I have on a pair of Pistola denim. So I had white on yesterday. I have off-white on today. Paired it with a Z Supply tank. This is just a tank. And this fun little Ever Eve, like short sleeve blazer type top for my work from home time. And for shoes, I did a pattern play. I did these fun snake print from Camuto. I got in a Stitch Fix last year, I believe it was. And then for jewelry, I have on the necklace my husband got me, and I have on my bracelet stack, my little Louis bracelet that my son and his girlfriend got me a few years ago for Mother's Day. And then this one is by Swarovski Crystal. And that's it for today. We made it over the hump. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. It is 78 degrees outside, getting up to 81. It's later in the afternoon. It's almost 3. So I think the warmest will be around 4 o'clock today. And it's been a crazy busy day. This is like the first time I've had an opportunity to like walk away from my desk for a bit, and I'm tired. Anyway, for my outfit today, I have on mauve denim from a Wantable. I have on an Ever Eve tank from a Trendsend. I have on an Ever Eve top. I think I bought during the Ever Eve top sale. And then for shoes, these fun flip-flops from Dolce Vita. And I have on a necklace from Kendra Scott. I'm loving the little starfish, and my bracelet stack. And that's it for today. All right, I gotta get back to work, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Friday, time for outfit of the day. It is so pretty out here. 64 degrees, getting up to 82. I'm doing this in the morning. And we made it, right? We made it through another week. Hopefully you guys had a great one. I do have a Friday funny for you. This one is all about Willard here. Mr. Willie. He's so funny. My son got him a little hose toy. And he loves hoses, likes water, gets in the pool, you know all that. So it probably was the perfect toy for him. And he figured it out in no time. And here he is having lots of fun making it work. So it's the kind where you just push down on it, the water squirts out. In fact, when my son stopped the hose, Willie's just keeps hitting it at a rapid pace until he turned it back on and the water came back out. So he absolutely loves the water, and I thought he was so cute playing with this toy. For my outfit today, I have on a Skort from Cut from the Cloth. I love this one. I think it'll be great even to wear as the weather transitions, so it's great now and later. And then I paired it with this cute little top from the Loft. I have on Dolce Vita shoes that I got in a Stitch Fix. And then for jewelry, I have on another necklace from Kendra Scott. I love this one. You can wear it backwards as well. Like you can wear it with that mother of pearl look, or you can wear it backwards with just the gold, but I love the little seashell. And then I have on my bracelet stack, and we're off and running. All right, that's a wrap, and I will see you tomorrow for one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for final outfit of the day. It is Saturday morning around 8:30. It is 68 right now. It feels really nice out. Getting up to 83, but we're gonna have a cloudy day. And my Nordstrom anniversary sale posted today. I'm so excited about these pieces. I did a lot less items than I've done in previous years, but a little bit more thoughtful, I think. And I hope you enjoy it. So please do stop by and check those out. The sale runs through, I believe it's August 9th, and things sell out so quickly, so you're gonna wanna go check those out. And for my final outfit this week, I chose a one and done. I have this cute little dress on from Ever Eve, paired it of course with one of my Ebby bralettes. And for shoes, how about these cute little Cecilia shoes? I love these. Got those from Anthropologie. And then for jewelry, I have on the necklace my husband got me, my bracelet stack, and I'm off. And that's a wrap. That's a wrap on Outfit of the Day this week. As always, I will list all of my outfits down below. If I can link specifically to items, I will. Many come from boxes, so I'll let you know which boxes, and all of the links will be down there for my boxes. Can't wait to hear what your favorite was this week, so please do comment down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and swipe to hype so I can keep on doing this. See you next time. Bye-bye.